Hello guys, it's Akos here from ATechFlow. Today I bring you something different, not the same tech stuff like usually I get the accessories and chargers and stuff. Today I want to show you something what I really like, even if I'm a tech content creator, but I think if you want a little bit live healthier or you want to make some fitness stuff, but you are not allowed to go to the gym every time because your work, because your child, or even it's a long distance from your house, I have a good alternative for you, so let's check it out. So this is, guys, the KAKICLAY 2025 upgraded pull bar. I've been using it for a bit and honestly it surprised me. It's one of those doorway bars you don't need to drill into the wall, but it's got some smart upgrades this year. Let me show you. So as usual with the tech content, let's start with the unboxing. In the box is pretty simple. The bar itself comes mostly ready. Just fold the side handles out and you're good to go to hang it up. The grips are thick foam, nice to the touch, and the welds and frame feel solid, heavier than the cheap Amazon ones. Even you get extra 2 grips if it will be needed. So now let's speak about the setup, and I can tell you it's very simple and very easy. So it's just under a minute. Just hook the larger cloths over your frame and the silicone parts kind of lock it in. What I like is that it's higher than most bars, about 8 inches higher. That actually matters if you're taller, because with other bars I always end up dragging my feet on the ground. With this one I can hang straight and do a clean pull-up. So now let's speak about what features this KAKICLAY pull-up bar have. You've got multiple grips here, wide, neutral, close underhand, plus these angled ends that take some pressure off your wrist. Off the door, you can flip it down and use it for push-ups, dips, even sit-ups if you hook your feet. It's surprisingly very multifunctional for a single piece of kit. I've been doing sets every morning, and the thing feels stable. Those bigger hooks keep it from rolling or wobbling, and the silicone protectors haven't left a single mark on my painted frame, which is a big deal if you're renting or you just don't want scratches. Plus I usually use it on my rug and it's absolutely no marks on it. Now let's speak about what the pros and what the cons. The pros are tall friendly, lots of grip options, and genuinely sturdy. It's rated up to 200 kilos. The finish and grips feel premium compared to the budget stuff. And if I have to say something about the cons, I would say it only fits certain door frames, between 55 and 92 cm wide. And if your trim is too chunky, it won't work. So definitely measure before you buy. So let's wrap up, guys. For me, this has replaced my old bar completely. It's easy to put up, easy to take down, and feels safer when I'm training. If you are after a no-drill pull-up bar and your door frame fits, this 2025 KAKICLAY is honestly one of the better ones I've tried. I can recommend it absolutely. So if you have, guys, any question, just drop down the comments below and I will answer you 100%. And I want to thank you to KAKICLAY to send me this sample. It was absolutely pleasure to use it. Even every morning or after work or whatever, you just take out, put in, and you're ready to go. No need to go to the gym. It's very good alternative. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Make your thoughts down in the comment and I'll see you on the next video.